Hello there guys. So in this part what we're gonna do, we're gonna declare some variables. Let's declare for instance integer. um, right now we just need to give the name, say integer a, and assign the value for it, and that's our variable. Let's explain now what does it mean. This part means the type of the variable. This part means the name of the variable, and normally this is the value of the variable. So essentially what variable is a holder, like space in the memory, which gonna hold the value. There is many types of variables. There is a double, long, short, integer, char, and all of them have different purpose. To don't confuse you right now, we're just gonna work with integers. So let's make integer b, and let's say it's 1 as well. Actually, let's say it's 2. Let's make integer c, and this one gonna be 0. So right now, as we can see, all of the variables I can assign here before main. That's what it's gonna essentially mean. It's gonna mean those variables are global. If we're gonna assign them inside of main, they're gonna be local for the function. So basically, we can use them inside of main, but nowhere else. What global means, we can use them everywhere in every single function, wherever we want inside of this program, which is not really good. We should never use global variables ever. It's really bad. But on the beginning, you can use them as you're learning. But after this, every single variable need to be declared inside of the function and pass over to other functions. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make some simple arithmetic operation. So let's say variable c, it's equals a plus b. So essentially what I'm doing here, variable c, which is 0, it's gonna be equal a, which is 1, plus b, which is 2. So variable c supposed to be 3. So let's run our program. Nothing happening. We cannot see what is the value of c. Well, it's because we didn't send it to print out on the console. Everything is going behind our program. We cannot see the real output. So to do that, we need to make cout, and let's write the text. Variable c is, and right now c, and here just end line and end it with semicolon. What I'm doing here, I'm sending the string variable c is to cout, then I'm sending c, variable c, to the string, then I'm sending end line to cout. So let's see how it works. Variable c is 3. So our operation is working. Let's add 3 to it. We didn't declare 3, we just assigned the value. Now it's 6. So basically 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 6. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna multiply 1 times 2 plus 3. It's 5. Let's do it right now. For example, divide. That's gonna be tricky. It's 0. Wow. Why this one show us 0? Mainly because integer is a whole number. It's not a float. So let's change our type to float. Now what we did, we sent a variable type as float. Let's give 2 numbers and let's try right now. It's still 0. So let's change all of them. Let's try right now. As you can see, right now we get completely different output. It's because float number, it's not a whole number. It's having those numbers after the dot, but we should not use float numbers all the time. The main issue with float numbers is they're taking more memory than integers.